Kamado Joe vs. Big Green Egg, Battle of the Eggs. Spanning thousands of years of existence, the Kamado-style grill is an exotic Asian cooking appliance originating from Japan. Made of durable ceramic, these grills use charcoal or wood as their heat source and have air vents to adjust and control the airflow for a lip-smacking, smoky-flavored meal. Such traditional grills have an interesting egg-like shape, a design that furthers their cooking efficiency. With globalization, Kamado grills have made their way to the US. Two of the best brands rivaling each other for the win in Kamado craftsmanship are Kamado Joe and Big Green Egg. These brands produce some of the best Kamado-style ceramic grills that uphold their authentic essence at heart, and incorporate some other innovative and convenient features. But which brand is the better choice? And which one should you choose? Let's find out in the battle between Kamado Joe vs. Big Green Egg. Difference between Kamado Joe vs. Big Green Egg. History. Big Green Egg was founded in 1974 by Ed Fisher, a pachinko game importer. The modern-day Kamado grills are largely courtesy of this brand, which can be given credit to have brought the idea of these grills to the land of the US. Kamado Joe is a relatively newer brand, as it was founded in 2009 by Bobby Brennan and Carrie Coker. It has given a modern and more convenience-laden smart spin to the traditional Kamado-style grills. The winner, Big Green Egg grills go way back than the Kamado grills. However, this does not put the latter on the back foot, as the quality of both brands nearly level with each other. Design. The Big Green Egg grills come in a solid glazed green exterior, claiming to be made up of premium quality, NASA-inspired ceramics. It has some exclusive and patented features like the draft door and temperature control regulator that enable controlled airflow, regulated cooking temperature, and even heat distribution. For the lid closure, it uses a spring hinge. Their top air vent is made of cast iron, which is prone to rust. Kamado Joe grills have a glazed bright red exterior made up of high-quality ceramic. It also has some exclusive and patented features like the divide and conquer cooking system, with which you can grill at 2 levels. At the same time, slide-out ash drawer, control tower top vent, and air lift hinge system, all of which make for an enhanced cookout experience. Their top vent is made of cast aluminum, which withstands rain without rusting. The winner, both brands are similar in quality as they are very durable and made from top-notch materials. However, we personally incline toward the Kamado Joe grills owing to the superior and innovative features that make them extremely easy and sturdy to use. Accessories and add-ons. The one thing that makes the Big Green Egg grill fall behind the Kamado Joe grill is its lack of accessories. The latter comes with several handy add-ons like a heavy-duty stand and wheels, the slide-out ash drawer, finished folding high-density polyethylene HDP shelves, an ash tool, and a grill gripper. In addition, the notable rotisserie and the cast-iron Dutch oven also set it apart. You have to buy all these accessories over and above a Big Green Egg grill. The winner, without a doubt, Kamado Joe. Fuel options. Both brands come with 2 fuel options, charcoal and wood, giving your food a smoky flavor. Additionally, they both are fuel efficient. The ceramic chimney cap of the Big Green Egg auto-cuts the airflow at the end of the cooking session and conserves fuel. Similarly, Kamado Joe also employs fuel-conserving technology. The winner, both brands have similar fuel options in their product lines and allow fuel conservation, so it comes down to your personal preference. In this one, temperature control. Both brands offer you the ability to dial into the temperature you want. However, doing so is a bit more convenient in the Kamado Joe than the Big Green Egg due to its control tower top vent. Additionally, both brands come with an easy-to-read thermometer. The winner, while both provide good temperature controls, we are in favor of the Kamado Joe grills as the vents in the Big Green Egg grills are non-adjustable, so controlling its temperature can get messy. Durability. Both brands scream durability because of their rugged design and high-end material composition. However, the top vent in the Big Green Egg is prone to rust, unlike that in the Kamado Joe, which truly emerges as an all-weather outdoor kitchen equipment. The winner, Kamado Joe, for its weatherproof design, brand reputation, and customer support. The Big Green Egg has a loyal customer base called Eggheads. Its years of functioning with a consistent track record of excellent service delivery have earned it a great reputation. BGE customer staff provides prompt and efficient support to customers' concerns. Furthermore, it also has a support staff monitored forum dedicated to the customers, which have plentiful helpful suggestions, cooking tips, maintenance walkthroughs, assembling tips, etc. Despite not having a long history like BGE, Kamado Joe has a dedicated customer support staff that is quick to help you with your problems. The winner, both brands have excellent support staff. Size and dimensions. Both brands come in a range of sizes. Big Green Egg comes in 7 sizes ranging from mini to 2XL. In comparison, Kamado Joe offers a wider product catalog than BGE, all varying in weight and size from model to model. The winner, Kamado Joe, as it has a product for every need, for example, someone wanting a compact model or another preferring a heavy-duty one. Price and value. Both brands are somewhat high-end due to their heavy cast, premium quality construction, however, the price gap is not too much. However, BGE will cost you less than Kamado Joe at the outset as it lacks the wide range of extremely helpful accessories that Kamado Joe comes with. You will have to buy it in addition to the grill. Thus, Kamado Joe, although costing similar to Big Green Egg, provides great value for money. The winner, definitely Kamado Joe. Versatility. This is a tough competition as both brands manufacture some of the most high-performance Kamado style grills, perfecting everything from smoking, grilling, and searing to baking and roasting. The winner, we found them both equally versatile, so this one is your call. Top 3 Kamado Joe models. Classic Joe Registered Grill, Series I. This model blends comfort and sophistication for top-of-the-line grilling. It comes with patented features such as the easy cleanup slide-out ash drawer and the 2-tier divide and conquer registered cooking system for cooking different foods at various temperatures and styles. The grill's cast iron top vent maintains consistent and precise temperature. We were impressed by the cooking space and extra preparation space this model offers. We found the temperature control was quite easy, as was the model's assembly. Its stainless steel grates, ceramic charcoal grill with cart and locking wheels, grill gripper, and ash tools make for a heavy-duty product. Joe Jr. registered with cast iron stand. This adventure-friendly model comes with 13.5 inches of cooking space. We found its usability extremely simple and convenient for our beach cookout needs. At your disposal, you have precise airflow and temperature control. In addition, our food was cooked to perfection with just the right hint of moisture and flavor courtesy of the thick-walled, heat-resistant shell that binds smoke and moisture across any temperature. Big Joe Registered Grill, Series 3. A grill like no other. Not only its features but also its performance remains unmatched. Big Joe Registered Grill, Series 3 offers a power-packed grilling experience. What we loved the most about this grill were the super helpful accessories that it came with. Unlike other Kamado grills where we need to buy the accessories, there is hardly anything to complain about this beast of a grill that screams class and sophistication. Top 3 Big Green Egg models. Large Big Green Egg. Perfect for a family of 4, the large BG is the most popular size of grill among all the sizes. It was the versatility of this one that blew us away as it allows baking, roasting, and smoking too. The accessories are majorly helpful, making the grilling process easy and convenient. The easy opening hinges and stainless steel grates, this NASA-proof ceramic Kamado grill is in for the winning. X-Large Big Green Egg. The more, the merrier. Cookouts and grilling are the most enjoyable when surrounded by a large group of people. This giant has a grid over 30% larger than the large, so it can cook for loads of people simultaneously. Its regulator comes with an insulated adjustment tab for comfortable use and an optional rain cap. The impact-resistant temperature gauge maintains precise temperature while cooking. Go ahead and invite more people to your cookout party, as this grill allows you to expand the cooking space with its special 2-level cooking grid. We give a thumbs up to the patented easy-to-lift hinge of this BGE grill, which makes it incredibly simple to open and close the green dome, and also the fact that it lets us cook several meals over the coal at once. Medium Big Green Egg. The Big Green Egg Medium is compact yet accommodates grilling, smoking, stewing, or baking for 6 to 8 people. It is also one of the most popular grill sizes in the Big Green Egg product line. It combines all of the brand's patented features, so don't mistake the size of this model for its inefficiency across any aspect. It delivers the signature BGE performance uncompromisingly. We hope we answered your queries about Kamado Joe and Big Green Egg. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss out on the latest grillin' and smokin' action.